What's up, guys? So welcome to another episode of Limitless NYC. Today I'm going to be going over kind of a continuation from my last video. And remember I said there was a way you could piggyback off someone's credit and basically make your credit start off at a higher score. So what I meant by that was basically, say for example, me, I had a 720 credit score, right? Hypothetically. So if I had a 720 credit score, and let's just say I had a credit card, for example, I had the Discover It card, right? So now, you, my friend, whoever you are, okay, well, my viewers maybe, if you're lucky, you have no credit history at all, and you want to get a good, you want to start off with a good credit score. You don't want to start off with a Capital One Platinum card. Maybe you want to start off with something better. Maybe you want to start off with the Chase Freedom card or the Chase Freedom Unlimited, whatever it is, right? So me, I have the Discover It card and I have a 720 credit score. So what I can do, or you can do, is like find someone who's in a better position than you and who already has a good credit score. What you do is you ask them if you can become an authorized user. And an authorized user is basically, say I have a Discover It card. Now I make you an authorized user, so there's another Discover It card for you. So what happens is there's basically two of those Discover It cards. Now you get onto my history for that card. So now if, for example, say I had my Discover It card for 2 years, after like a month or two, give or take, your credit score will adjust to what the score would be if you had a Discover card for 2 years. So you basically would assume my history of 2 years of having the Discover It card. So now you have 2 years credit history, and now you have 720 credit score. So that's one way that you can really like skip the process of really building. And if you have someone that trusts you and that you trust to make you an authorized user, you don't actually have to even use the card. It just has to be on your history for a while. Yeah, and that's how you piggyback off someone's credit score. All right, guys, until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and do share the video if you think it'll help somebody else. Thank you.